Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. We have a collab here, KYGO and AVA Max. They did Whatever. And this song is what I believe original Shakira song. Not sure there, I think so. And yeah, it goes in KYGO fashion. You really hear that it's KYGO playing there. So let's take a look at this goodie here. We have the capo set on the 3rd fret. Alright, so we'll go over some chords. We'll start with A minor. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. We have F here, so that's a bar chord. You place the bar on the 1st fret over all strings, and then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. We have C. That is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And the final chord is G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Alright, so 4 chords only, the famous 4, and we have one strumming pattern that will work for the song. So if you go to A minor, that's the 1st chord. You have down, down, up, down, up. That is one string around, so like this. So I play on the 1st down, more on the bass strings, and then I kind of answer on the 2nd down, on the higher notes down here, and then you just continue with up, down, up. So down, down, up, down, up. And a couple of rounds to get the feeling here for the rhythm. And so on. Alright, so we have just different parts here. It's very easy to go over this. We have A minor for the verse to now. A minor 1, F1, C1, G1. That's the first half of it. And then you continue with A minor 1, F1, and C2. So that's a big chord progression there. A minor 1, C1, F1, C1, G1, A minor 1, F1, C2. That's one round. You're going to play this for 2 rounds. So one round goes like this. Alright, so 2 rounds of that. That's your verse playing. Over to the pre-chorus, you're going to play F2, C1, and G1. That's it. You're going to play that for 2 rounds. So F2, C1, G1 again. That's your pre-chorus. 2 rounds of that. And then over to the chorus, you're going to play A minor 1, F1, C1, and G1. You play that for 4 rounds, like this. 4 rounds of that, and that's your chorus. And then you have the final drop there. And no KYGO song without any drop. So this is the drop played in the exact same way as the chorus. You continue with that for another 8 rounds. That's in the 1st round. And then you play everything else in the same way for the 2nd round. The verse, the pre-chorus, the chorus, everything is the same. And the final drop there will be, instead of 8, 12 rounds now, and that is the ending of KYGO and AVA Max Whatever. So a nice song there, good inspirational from Shakira, I think. I'm pretty sure about that. So yeah, nice to play some different songs here, not your typical guitar songs, but actually if you listen to the song, there's a guitar or some strings, string-like instrument in the background there. So yeah, give it a try. Hope you enjoyed it. And until next time, play tuned.